I hope you had a great trading day yesterday. Uh, Yesterday, at the last half an hour, we all noticed Nifty 50 went almost from 19,542. It hit high of 19,630, which is more than about uh, what you can say is 60 points, 80 points almost. And if you see, the volume also was huge. So, what was the reason of this rally? Because of this rally, of course, a lot of call writers, nifty call writers, had to exit their positions. If you see here, almost 19,500 call writer, 1 lakh, sorry, more than the writers who are at 1 crores had to exit down and reduce their positions. Because when a price moves like this, they would be in huge loss. So their stop loss is hit and they would have to exit the positions. So what made this rally? It's very simple. The Geo Financial exited Nifty. Let me show you the charts of Reliance, how this moved at that last 15 minutes. Then we will be able to realize, understand what actually happened. So, uh, sorry, Reliance Geo. Uh, and how Geo Finance. Okay. So if you see this candle here, the last 15 minutes, there's a lot of huge buying here. From 246 levels, it went to 261. So this is one of the reasons of this big move uh, on the Nifty, and subsequently the Bank Nifty also, gave a good nice rally upside. And whoever traded on the zero to hero on the call side at least would have made a huge profits. These are the calls we had shared. Let me show you some of the calls. Uh, so these are all pre-market. In fact, these calls we had shared on YouTube as well, and whoever took benefit of this would have definitely. Sun TV we mentioned 616 uh, below uh, target of 609, and Reliance 2,404. Sorry, 2,440 target of 2,455. So let us open Reliance Industries futures. If you check 2000, okay, this was the opening of the market. It moved down to 2,439 and then crossed 2,440, made a high of 2,446, and then subsequently came down. And Sun TV as well, futures, right at the opening. At the opening, of course, uh, it crossed 616, hit 6111, and then moved up. Whoever saw this again would have made this trade from 616, it went to 612. So twice it almost went down, and I think TCS also, it crossed 3,441 and made low of 3,460. If you see TCS 3,441, so price had to move from top, which has done from 3,453. It moved down to 3,441 and made low of 3,414. Uh, Tech Mahindra also we had shared sell. So three, four trades which were profitable. Post that we gave 44,700 put above 277. This also levels were shared on YouTube. If anybody have heard, which made high, I think this made high almost of 340 or so, 275. In fact, we said the 295 book half and hold rest to cost, and it went more than 340 or 400 if I remember right. And then we also shared 2000 which hit SL, and we said we shall be see later. And later when we took a re-entry of 44,000 call from 258, it went to 320 400 also. Later we had 44 300 call, watch 30, target 60, 80, 130, high made was 134. So this was some trades which we had made yesterday. For today, we would probably mostly be watching Nifty. If it is able to cross this 19,630, 643, then we would look for longs. And if we do not have any, if the market trades within this range, we would just wait and watch. We may not take any trades. It is better to keep wait, watch safely, because who are have holding these positions, there is a possibility that they may book profit here. And very simple, we would look at market the way it behaves, whether from here if it wants to move up for the next levels. So basis this movement, price action rather, we would look and trade. However, if market hits the 641, tends to move down and give, and other algo trades, if they give us uh, of course there's a different application where we can see algo trades or the big players futures data. So if they tend to move down, then we may think of shorting at 19,600, less quantity, of course, for targets of 19,560 to 19,530. But however, we have a feeling that this can be a very good support area, and it may again tend to, the price may tend to move up also again. So we would have to be very cautious. Our major trade sell zone would be below 19,530 and 492 to 440. Low likewise, basis the movement of Nifty, we would trade or take positions on Bank Nifty as well. Because if you see, in fact, yesterday in the to our subscribers also we mentioned there's a big drama which is going on. Let I just open the I have shared here. Today also same drama. Nifty is strong, Bank Nifty is weak. So we shall see how day progresses. And later, of course, Nifty moved down, and you know it helped Bank Nifty come down. HDFC Bank now has become positive. We see a positive, strong positive up move which is going on. Uh, we are now kind of confident that HDFC may move towards 1640 levels. However, again, we would watch, because for me, it needs to stay above this level of uh, 59 what 1593. Then we will see upside rally. So keep a watch on Reliance as well. Uh, if this moves above 2448, then we may see targets of 2456. And if 2440 call moves above 49, then we may see targets of 50, so 50 60 plus. Tech Mahindra also, now we are looking, we might think of going long. If this moves above 1258 with stop loss of 1252. We are also looking at Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank, I would wait for the market to uh, complete this pattern here, and then decide how to trade on this, because we may definitely see the price move and try hitting this level of 2000, sorry, 236 and 238 to 240 levels. Biocon futures above 272, we may think of going long. Trend is slightly not very clear. Uh, it has been trading, consolidating, comes down, consolidating. So we need to see whether it wants to move up or down, and we can trade accordingly. Uh, Tata Motors, if this moves futures, if it 615 call moves above 14, then we may see targets of 14.8. We may see targets of 16, 18. Bharti Airtel also has made a good rally. Earlier we had, I think, took this 865 puts or 860 put and made some profit. This is not today, of course, but I would watch and see, wait and watch how this price up move may take off. Uh, Tata Consumers, I think there was some news of merger. Now, post this, we need to see whether, post the denial of the company of the merger, we need to see whether price would move up or down. However, let's look at again. If you see, this also has been consolidating on this range. So whether it breaks, moves up is something which we all want to look at. Gold has slowly been moving down. We are expecting gold actually uh, to move towards 58,402 and even 57 by end of this year. We should be able to see 55,000 in gold. So let us see if our view is right. We are not shorting. This is only for education purpose, because trading in gold requires huge capital, and also we need to have enough capital to sustain for doing adjustment. In case our views go wrong, we may have to exit or hedge positions with silver and trade accordingly. So thank you all, friends, for joining. We also have shared uh, one link, or rather, I can say, uh, how to trade Hero Zero trades, or rather, how the Hero Zero trades work. We will also make probably how to, you know, once our subscriber base goes to more than 1,000, 200, we would look at uh, uh, making this the hero zero sorry strategy, or not exactly a strategy. We were the basis how hero zero trades work. So today, let us see if we have opportunity in Nifty to make some hero zero trades. If you see here, yesterday 44,400, I think, sorry, 44,300. From 30 it went to 134. That's the way, we get opportunities on expiry. But yes, we should be also sometimes be ready to lose. Not every time this kind of a move can come. It happens only uh, when the writers start exiting their positions. So thank you. Be very cautious today. Market is quite indecisive. I wouldn't say indecisive. Market is very volatile. And number two, VIX is still at 10, 11 levels. So we need to see this moving towards 12, 13, so that good rally is seen. Uh, so trade safe, because we need to sustain, hold the capital, because there are a lot of opportunities coming. When I say a lot of opportunities coming, we have the parliament elections. So that time we will see moves of 500,000 points in Bank Nifty, uh, because of the um, elections, or rather during the elections we can see this type of rally. So God bless you all. Thank you, and